Once upon a time, in a beautiful forest, a kind little rabbit and a gentle fox were best friends. They played together every day and shared everything they had. One day, they realized they never wanted to be apart and dreamed of having a family together. But the other animals said, "No. You are too different. You can never be together." The rabbit and the fox were heartbroken and sat sadly by the river. Suddenly, a huge fire spread through the forest, and all the animals were terrified. Without thinking of themselves, the rabbit and the fox rushed to help everyone. The brave fox carried the small animals to safety, while the rabbit rescued the frightened birds. Together, they saved every animal in the forest. When the fire was over, the animals realized how kind and brave the rabbit and the fox truly were. They said, "We were wrong. True love and kindness are more important than our differences." The forest animals held a joyful celebration, and from that day on, the rabbit and the fox lived happily together,